Let's solve the equation. We have x plus 5 over 2 equals 10. Remember that whenever we are solving an equation, we're trying to get the variable or the letter by itself. When solving equations, try to undo the operation that is furthest away from x. When you're solving equations, when you are solving equations, start undoing the operation that is furthest away from x. Notice that plus 5 is right next to x, and then division by 2 is underneath it. Here we would say that the division by 2 is furthest away from x, so we would undo that division by 2 first. In order to undo a division, we have to multiply. So because we are dividing by 2, we need to multiply by 2. So we will multiply the left side by 2, and whatever we do to the left side, we must also do to the right side, so we will also multiply the right side by 2. On the left side, we have a division by 2 and then a multiplication by 2, and these are opposite operations, so they cancel. So on the left side, we are left with x plus 5. And on the right side, we have 10 times 2, which is 20. So now we get x by itself. So now we continue trying to get x by itself. We have x plus 5 on the right, so we need to get rid of that plus 5, and we do that by subtracting 5. And remember, whatever we do to one side, we must do to the other, so we will also subtract the right side by 5. Plus 5 and minus 5 cancel out, so on the left side, we are left with x. And on the right side, we have 20 minus 5, which is 15. So we have that x equals 15.